This is Chuck Bauer with Hawthorne Services, and today we're going to go through the Hawthorne Performance System and how to use Supervisor Overview. I'm going to log in as a supervisor, and by doing so, I'll get my dashboard, which is the main menu. I could be using the system menu, but we're going to use the dashboard main menu today. On the dashboard, there's a Supervisor Overview link on the left, but I can also get to it from my Supervisor Overview section of the main menu. This shows me that there are some goals overdue for a couple of employees, but I have done the reviews on time. I'm going to go to Supervisor Overview and look at these two employees. So from Supervisor Overview, I have Janice Allen and John Doe, and I have links to work on their goals and objectives, their performance review documents, their coaching documents, as well as their scheduled reminders and talent development. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to work with the reminders, and I'm going to pick Janice Allen to look at her reminders. So I've clicked the link, and right now I've got a screen displayed that shows me what her reminders, her automated reminders are, both for doing her annual goals and objectives, which is November 17th. It's scheduled for the 17th of the month, and as you can see, only November is clicked. So November 17th, she'll get a reminder to work on her annual goals and objectives. And notice that the last reminder email was sent in November 17th, 2015. Now she's on a schedule of at least 4 times a year for coaching. So as you can see, this shows scheduled day of the month, the 31st, and there's actually 5 months scheduled here. Now, if she's scheduled for the 31st, notice this note out here to the side. If the month has 28 days or 29 days or 30 days, then it will run on that last day of the month, even if 31 is the date scheduled. And as you can see, the last time she got the reminder, it was on November 30th for coaching. Finally, we've got the performance review section here at the bottom, and as you can see, there's a reminder sent out on December 30th for her to start her self-assessment as part of the performance review process. As a supervisor, if I want, I can change these reminders. In this case, I'm going to untick the April box for coaching so that it's February, May, August, and November every 3 months, and it will happen on the last day of the month. All I have to do at this point now is click Save, and I'll be back at Supervisor Overview. I can also work and at least review the talent development for each of my employees. In this case, there's 2 entries for Janice. The first one is where she's completed her PHR certification in human resources. And you can also see a second one, a harassment training class that was just scheduled on the 25th of January 2016 and is due in 4 days. Because today is January 28th, that is highlighted in yellow as it's within the time period that it should be noted to her as close to overdue. That's all I have to show you today regarding Supervisor Overview. If I go back to Supervisor Overview again, I'll see employees that work for me as Philip Smith. If either of these employees had subordinates, they would be listed here also. And there will be other videos that will show us how to work with Supervisor Overview in terms of goals and objectives, performance reviews, and coaching. Thanks for tuning in.